Okay, welcome everyone again back to the yet another video of Bank Nifty and Nifty tomorrow's trade plan and trade strategy, the important reference level and important zones, which I'll be focusing very important for tomorrow's, that is Friday's trading session, 9th of September. So first let's see, as per the yesterday's plan shared, because of Nifty a gap up and Bank Nifty gap up opening, the levels price has not approached as per the plan. So what's expected for tomorrow on Nifty? So first of all, today what happened on Nifty is after the morning gap up, move, price was fully overlapping, rotating fully around VWAP, a small down move, and then later on after 2:30 price was breaking the morning high and the market closed pretty normal here. So entire day bulls were trying to make multiple attempts, also sellers where there was a clear cut fight between the buyers and sellers on in terms of Nifty. So for tomorrow on Nifty, very important zone, Nifty future levels on a 5-minute time frame chart, 17,790 to 17,800. This 10 points range will be very crucial for Nifty on tomorrow's trading session. If price comes to this zone, gets a rejection, or price trying to go below, getting a failure, and clearly price breaching again with a clear what candle formation? Clear bullish candle formation closing above it, okay, or a bullish rejection candle which is clearly closing above it, that will make me to plan my bullish trade either above this candle eye or above this candle eye on a 5-minute time frame. And in terms of Nifty, if the stop loss is more than 75 points, I'll be definitely avoiding. Anything less than that, I'll be planning my trade with stop loss placed few points below this levels for an expected target straightforward of 17,860 and higher levels for tomorrow's Nifty. In case of any gap down ka opening, 17,760 ka levels or a flat opening price trying to coming down 17,760 ka levels to 17,770 ka level. This 10-point range will be very crucial, or in better, more comfortable is this 17,760 ka levels. Okay, if any gap down or a price trying to come down, price rejecting and trying to reverse back, here I'll be looking for a bullish candle or a bullish rejection candle which I have shown few minutes back. Again, the stop loss maximum, if it is more than 75 points, I'll be avoiding. Anything less than that, what is the candle range I will be taking as my stop loss with 5 to 10 points buffer on the upside and on the downside. But this is a bigger target expectation. It's more than 840 to 850 points of 17,840 to 17,850 wala target. On an opposite note, with higher level, there is still selling pressure can come into the picture on especially on Nifty. So in that case, the higher level zone is 17,880 to 17,900 ka levels. Okay, so if price coming to the zone, getting a rejection or trying to go beyond that but struggling and reversing back down aggressively, here again I want simple things to be in my favor. To plan my trades, that is either a clear bearish candle formation, okay, or a bearish rejection candle formation. This is a very important zone, can note it down. Okay, the candle has to close clearly below 17,880. Below that candle low, any of the one which is forming, I'll be planning my short side trade. Stop loss placing above the candle on a 5-minute future time frame chart of Nifty. Again, if the stop loss is more than 75 points, I'll be avoid taking the stop loss, avoid taking those trades, or else I'll be taking a trades here. The expected target is not so big, but probably 17,820 to 830 levels. Shorter target, but the move can be faster if this plan comes into the picture. So for tomorrow's session, stock specific, I have not shared any stock specific levels. All the stock specific level will be shared on the Telegram channel, because if my trades gets executed, I will be updating straightforward on the Telegram channel. So when it comes to the Bank Nifty, again morning move up, 2 hours ka sideways, again and up, again full of overlapping. And later on after 2 p.m. the price has slightly picked up on the upside. So for tomorrow, one important zone is 40,160 to 40,200 is the level. If price comes to this zone, gets a rejection, here I'll be looking for a bullish candle or a bullish rejection candle. This can give a better and bigger risk reward based trade. Clear rejection from here, I'll be looking for a bullish candle formation or an bullish rejection candle formation for my trades to execute. On the upside, above the candle line, I'll be planning my bullish trade with candle stop loss placed below it. And if the candle range is more than 170 points, I'll be avoid taking those trades, or else I'll be taking trades for straight away target of 40,400 and above levels. So meanwhile, traders, if you have not watched all this 11 video playlist, you can make sure to these are the must watch video playlist. There are one more playlist with 25 learning videos which you can also watch. The link is in the description. And one aggressive plan for tomorrow in terms of the bank nifty is if price opening above 40,400 with an open low. I repeat 40,400 with an open low. Immediately once I see open low at 9:15, I'll be executing immediately on the first few ticks itself. I'll be executing my bullish trade, or I'll be focusing on the call option trade with stop loss placed below that low of the candle. Okay, and I'll be expecting a risk reward of 1:1.5. If the can, let's say if I'm getting an 100-point stop loss, let's say market is making a gap opening above 40,400 with open low. Okay, and let's say price execution here is very important. Let's candle is making open low means what is the low here on the first few ticks, probably by 9:15, 2 seconds or 3 seconds quickly I'll be checking if it is an open low. Immediately I'll be executing my call option trade. Stop loss placed below this low. From my execution level till this low, if the stop loss is more than 170 points, I'll be avoiding, or else I'll be taking the trade. With one more important information which I'll be very closely looking at. Open low means it's not like, let's say price is making an open somewhere around 40,420. Okay, 40,420 is the open. If the low is 40,414 or 413, no problem. Still, I will take it as an open low only. 6 to 7 points buffer is advisable. I'll be giving it to plan my bullish trade. This is an aggressive opening trade. I'll be closely looking at opening tick of the market to understand what's the am I getting any kind of open behavior scenario. This is again an aggressive trade. Yes, planning is not a big deal, but the execution plays a very important role on this stage. If any gap down to opening, aggressively making any gap down opening or prices trying to come down, 40,050 levels will be very crucial. Price rejecting from this and a clear bullish candle or a bullish rejection candle, that will make me to plan my bullish trade above this candle line, placing stop loss below this. And if the candle range is more than 170 points, I will be avoiding, or else I will executing the trade straight away, approaching the target of 40,400 and above.